What's a YouTuber about, right? Recording, showing people what you get. Ta-da! All day, every day. I have coffee machine. You guys saw that I have so many coffee there, but I did not purchase the pot. What is this? Woohoo! Wow. Ow. Amazon ripped my money.
It definitely looks like I'm wilding. They look cute. You just need someone to say.
How you say this brand?
I don't know, I can't see.
How you say this brand?
You're right, yeah. I feel like when I wear these though, it might come down. It's okay. I think kind of gets it down. No. Look, what is it? Like some shoes? Oh, it's up. It's batty vibes. It's batty vibes. It's up. And mind you, I was just so skinny. I'm doing short shorts. We should do that. I need to get that because like it's going to it's going to all the right places. What is it called? Short.
Oh yeah, I know which. Yeah.
It's going to all the right places. And usually I gain it everywhere. I'm not even gaining it here, bro. Granted, I've been working out too with it, but yeah. Because obviously, anytime you're trying to gain weight, you don't want to just pack on protein and then, yeah. Ew. You're just gonna look like a fucking scary man.
Looks like a little suitcase.
I know, it's so tiny.
I didn't even mean it.
Yeah.
Wow. I can't respond right away. That's it.
No, you can't. Do your reds on? Your reds on? Okay, good.
You know, I really like being buff. I can just sit on the front instead of using it.
Wow, look at how tiny it is. I have a brand new coffee machine.
Aww.
The heck, you do push up?
She a gym shawty.
She's got, yeah. No, I feel like after I got my boobs, they hurt so much more doing push-ups.
What were your boobs like size-wise before you got them done?
They were like, and she has kids, you know?
Yeah. I said I sent you something.
Like, I wouldn't want my mom to look like that. You know, there's a limit to it. Like, look at these, like, exact confidence.
Yeah, because, like, I couldn't, you know what I'm saying?
And I don't like to put down women, trust you, but that is just a little, it's a little out there.
Now, you gonna see why I tripped a little bit, because I tripped on you a bit.
Cool! You can open this too!
Like, in the midst of me reading this fucking guy is calling me.
Alright, so I got everything plugged in. Plug and power. Remove package. Just this power button. And they suggest add 1 cup and out. So I'm not sure how that works. Pour in water. Lift the water reserve. It's right here. You put the water in. For 8 out. And then place the cup here. Look at how tiny it is and thin. Cool. Good morning. So right now is the first time I am using the coffee machines. So I'm about to actually find some cups and put it in. This is way too big, but it's actually fit. So I have really gotta open this and put the K drink in here. So I have so many stuff. Let's see, I should get today. I got this from Amazon as well. And there's so many options. Maybe this. Okay. I want it strong. I'm gonna put it and then, oh. $16, $17. Oh, what happened? It's cooking. Okay. Cool, it's finally done. I want to stay here a little bit, so it's dropped out all the coffee. Alrighty, so that's pretty much of 8 ounce. I put it in 8 ounce water yesterday and it's all gone, so cheers.